so your classmate is not an Ilongga, but she has a lot of Ilonggo friends.
No, so I do have someone. The person who's in my lab group is Ilonggo, but she's not. She doesn't know Chito.
Well, that's not the one we're
She
talking
said
about.
she'd ask her parents.
That's
But
the one I'm talking about.
Kiana's the one who knows Chito.
Oh.
I never told my mom about your Ilonggo one. I'm just telling her specifically about Kiana.
Kiana's the one that knows Chito from like, I guess friends or family of her.
Wow.
That are probably Ilonggo.
And they know Chito like what? Like a celebrity?
As a celebrity, yeah.
Oh my God.
As far as I'm aware, I don't know the people that she knows.
Celebrity status si Jesse Tatay, ah. Wow. It's nice. Namitan sabi sa spaghetti, di ba? Il Jollibee, gidyo. Jollibee. Yay. Filipino food.